Weather also affecting today's baseball regional semifinals in the area. When Bowling Green and St. John's finally do take the field tomorrow, it will be a reunion for Titans head coach Sam Fisher and Bobcats skipper Fred Riggs. The two served as assistants for Bowling Green's Jim Beaverson in 2018. Despite meeting in the regular season with Bowling Green winning 9-1, both teams understand what's at stake this go-around.
I tell the kids we don't care who's in the other dugout. We really don't care. It could be the New York Yankees. If we play our game, we're going to be able to leave there with our heads high, win or lose. And I think most times when we play our game, we come out on the successful side.
I'm just really proud of the work we put in to see it translate. And I'd say the biggest thing that I'm grateful to see is our guys playing together and behind each other and for each other. It's really cool to watch and just keep it riding.
With the energy, we just work together and try to be as loud as we can, and we know that everybody has each other's backs when we're all picking each other up, talking to each other, and just it kind of helps us play better as a team.
It's been really helpful having the bench be up and cheering on our guys. So if that continues, I think we have a really strong shot at taking down BG.
We've always been the underdog, and we pride ourselves on defying odds and just Bobcats against the world. So
we know what's at stake. I think all of us. I mean, some of these guys, there's only two of us, me and Nick Pett, are going to play college ball. The other guys, this is the end of it. So I think sending it out with a good note, that's what we're really looking forward to.
We just want to keep on playing. We do not want to go home. We're really confident right now. We think we can just play with anyone if we just play how we've been playing. Our whole goal stepping into a game has been to come out and punch in the mouth and come out with energy and passion. And this BG team, they're going to fight, and they might very well punch us in the mouth, and that's the beauty of the game tomorrow, and that's what we're looking forward to. The competing aspect of it, and just competing is a blast, and I think these guys are feeling that.